flew too close to the big moon base. Uh-oh, he spun and lost his place. Mama called the spaceman and he said, no more monkeys zooming through space. Four little monkeys flying with glee, dodging stars and an asteroid sea. One monkey did a loop-dee-dee. Uh-oh, he spun into zero G. Mama called the spaceman and he said, no more monkeys zooming through space. Three little monkeys floating along, singing their favorite monkey song. One took a turn that was way too strong. Uh-oh, he drifted far and long. Mama called the spaceman and he said, no more monkeys zooming through space. Two little monkeys having such fun, racing fast around the sun. One zipped past a big space gun. Uh-oh, he's back where he begun. Mama called the spaceman and he said, no more monkeys zooming through space. One little monkey floating near Mars, waving hello to shooting stars. He danced around in monkey bars until he bounced off planet Tars. Mama called the spaceman and he said, no more monkeys zooming through space. Now the monkeys are safe in bed, with helmets snug upon their head, dreaming of space, what fun they had. Five little monkeys, oh so rad.